Hey guys, welcome to Top 5 Niches of the Week, episode 186, where I've got 5 print-on-demand niches for you to target that are going to be trending next year. Some of them may not be on your radar at all, so make sure you stay tuned. If you want to see niches that you can target in the short term to increase your sales, check out last week's episode. I'll link to it right here in the YouTube cards. All right, let's get started. Let's kick things off with an Amazon merch sales update. So in the month of November, I made 2,085 sales, $6,100 in royalties on the US market, and maybe another, $1,500 in royalties, and that's not adjusted for the currency exchange rates from the other markets. By the way, if you want to follow me on Instagram, link in the description, you can get daily sales updates for motivation, and you can keep up with my vacations. I actually just got back yesterday from a nice cruise. It was the first cruise I've ever been on. I tried to post some Instagram story updates. You can see me and my fiance Marielle right here on a beach in Haiti. And it was quite nice, quite a nice time. A lot warmer there than it is here. But now it's back to the grind. All right, top 5 niches. Niche number 1 this week is going to be Election 2024. It's a forward-looking episode, guys. Get ready, if you're not already ready, for the madness that is an election year in the United States. 2024, you can see lots of ideas here, a lot of Trump stuff, a lot of Biden stuff, a lot of funny ones that say like vote for Bigfoot. There's some that say D's nuts 2024, boats and hose 2024 behind me, Lebowski 2024. By the way, always do your research, right? Lebowski, I'm sure is a reference to that movie, Big Lebowski. I would not be selling those on Amazon merch, okay? Even boats and hose we know is a movie reference, so just be careful, right? I'm sure we'll be talking more about election 2024 niches next year, so no need to go too deep, right? Niche number 2 this week is going to be Eclipse 2024. Do not overlook the coming eclipse in April of 2024. The BSRs are already showing that there are people that are aware and interested in having Eclipse t-shirts, Eclipse apparel ready to go. Okay, look at the BSRs, 23,000, 29,000, 30,000, 40,000, 45,000. I mean, there's a lot of interest. You don't want to miss this one, guys. All right, niche number 3 is going to be crypto bull run, cryptocurrencies. I'd personally love to study financial markets, the macro forces that drive them. What makes number go up, number go down? I don't necessarily think I have a specialty in crypto, but I think in general, there are a lot of correlations between different asset classes. And in my personal opinion, based on me basically studying this stuff almost every day, if not every day since March 2020, so almost 4 years now, I think there's going to be a crypto bull run in 2024 for a number of reasons. Number go up drives interest. And when I say number go up, I mean cryptocurrency priced in US dollars appreciates. It goes up, not down. So people who bought it at a low price see that their net worth goes up a little bit for holding the cryptos. They then get enthusiastic about the cryptos and they want to buy these cryptos on t-shirts, on sweatshirts, etc. You guys know the drill. Well, it feels like it wasn't that long ago that we were in a bull run and the interest in people wanting to buy these and represent their favorites was just crazy, okay? That being said, a lot more of these tokens or cryptocurrencies, whatever we call them, have been trademarked. So you need to make sure you, of course, protect yourself before attempting to sell any of them, okay? One that you'll always be able to sell, though, is my personal favorite crypto. You could probably guess. Anybody that's been subscribed already knows. Bitcoin, all right? Bitcoin is completely different than basically all the other relevant cryptos, in my opinion. So if you want to learn more about that, I would just recommend checking out Bitcoin University on YouTube. I can link to it in the YouTube cards. A lot of great videos there, helping you explain in a technical, real-life basis what makes it so special. All right, niche number 4 this week. Oh, before we get to niche number 4, guys, quick plug. Check out my free print-on-demand mini course. You're not going to get a better free mini course than what I offer. It's 20 days, 1 lesson a day, to help you get started. It's updated. It is really good. And check out my print-on-demand Facebook group, also linked in the description. I'd love to have you there. Niche number 4 is, how about the 2024 Olympics? Now, the Olympics, if you try to upload the Olympic rings or the word Olympics to Amazon merch, you're going to get rejected, okay? You're going to get what we all want to avoid when we keep our accounts safe, and that is a rejection. So always do what you can to protect yourself. And to me, that starts with Well, I have a video linked in the description called Is This Niche Safe? I would just recommend watching that. It helps you understand what I do to keep my account safe. We're not talking about infringing on the Olympics brand. The Olympics involve playing sports, right? Various different sports. Some of them are single athletes, some of them are team sports. Those sports, the interest in them is going to see an uptick in interest that correlates with those sports being talked about and displayed in the Olympics. Hopefully that wasn't too long-winded of a way of explaining why there's going to be interest in there, why you should consider looking into what Olympic sports are, the most popular, and then selling some shirts related to those sports, right? There's no rule that, this sport is played in the Olympics, therefore we can never sell a soccer shirt, ever again, or a tennis shirt ever again, etc. All right, niche number 5 this week. Chinese New Year's, okay? It starts in January. So in terms of priority, I would prioritize getting your Chinese New Year shirts up as soon as possible. It's going to be the year of the dragon. So there's going to be a ton of different really cool design styles that you can do. By the way, if this list of 2024 niches looks familiar, I did do a collaboration with Juno from Detour Shirts that you guys should all check out if you didn't see it already. He actually shows the design component, the other half, you know what I mean? If I'm trying to help with the research, he is a professional designer. He's helping with the design aspects to complement all the things I talked about in this episode. I'll link to that video up here in the YouTube cards. Make sure you go check that out. I'll link to it in the description as well because it was a really good video. And I love Juno, man. He deserves all the success. Make sure you subscribe to his YouTube channel as well. It's very complimentary to what I talk about here on mine. All right, emerging trends. These are shirts that are outperforming their 30-day average BSR. So it could be indicative of coming trends. We've got some Christmas shirts. No surprise there. Be nice to the teacher. Santa is watching. So they're cross-niching teacher shirts, which sell extremely well, even in the summer. You know what I mean? Year-round, truly. Cross-niched it with Christmas. I like my men. I'm not going to read that one, but there's some funny ones. Joy to the World, the Diva Elf, Reindeer Training Squad, etc. A lot of good ideas here. Next, let's take a look at the archive. These are shirts that were selling well 11 months ago, which, by the way, is interesting because it's still 2023 calendar year, and we are now looking back at January 2023 for hints as to what may be selling well in about a month from now. So we have some Mardi Gras shirts. We have 100th Day of School, which of course we know that's going to be a huge one. I think they begin to start selling in January, but really February is where you see peak interest. But write that one down. That's another big one. And then some just kind of random. Cruise Squad 2023. There you go. That was me the past week. And then some other ideas. Looks like some Valentine's Day shirts as well. All right, and here are removed designs. These were removed in the last 2 weeks, either by Amazon or by the uploader. Okay, so take a quick peek at those. Nothing really stands out to me. When I see like Christmas sweater designs, it could be that they just need to free up an upload slot, so I'm not really sure. Another Santa's favorite music teacher, so cross-niching Christmas with teaching. Nice Jewish boy, so don't overlook the other holidays as well, besides Christmas. All right, moving on, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Check out a link to my print-on-demand course, my full course, in the description. It shows you how I've made 6-figure profits every year since 2019. And check out my private community link. If you want to work directly with me, it's by far the most cost-efficient option to do so. I do 2 weekly live streams where we can collaborate. So check that out, linked in the description. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe on your way out, and I'll see you tomorrow with a new video.